See Otter Pups. Genre study. Informational text is nonfiction. It gives facts about a topic. As you read See Otter Pups, pay attention to details and facts about a topic, maps that help explain a topic, pictures with labels, set a purpose. As you read, stop and think if you don't understand something. Reread. Ask yourself questions. Use what you already know. And look for visual clues to help you understand the text. Power words. Surface. Wraps. Attached. Crack.
Surface. The surface of something is the top or outside of it. The beautiful fish swam up to the surface of the pond to be fed. Wraps. If something wraps around another thing, it winds or goes around that thing. He wraps a blanket around himself to keep warm. Attached. When things are attached, they are joined together. These papers are attached with a staple. Crack. Crack means to break or split. You have to crack the coconut open to eat it.
An ocean is a large body of salty water. Many different kinds of plants and animals call the ocean home. Some animals live in the air and water near the shore. Many animals live in deep water. Some ocean animals have special parts to help them live in water, such as gills and fins. The ocean is full of life, and scientists believe there are still living things to be discovered in this watery habitat. See Otter Pups by Ruth Owen. Meet a sea otter pup. A mother sea otter and her pup are floating in the ocean. The mother otter is resting on her back. The little pup is cuddled up on his mother's belly, just above the water. Mother sea otter. Sea otter pup. What is a sea otter? Sea otters are animals that live in the ocean. They are about as big as a medium-sized dog. Sea otters have very thick fur. The fur helps keep the otter's body warm and dry in the cold water. Adult sea otter size. Adult sea otter. Thick fur. Where do sea otters live? Although sea otters live in the ocean, they stay close to the shore. The yellow parts of this map show where sea otters live. Shore. Sea otters. Where sea otters live. A newborn pup. A mother sea otter gives birth in the ocean to just one pup at a time. After the pup is born, she places it on her chest to keep it warm. Then she feeds it milk from her body. A pup drinks its mother's milk until it's about 4 to 6 months old. Mother sea otter. 1 week old pup. Learning to swim. A newborn sea otter cannot swim, but it can float really well. It floats on top of the water like a beach ball. The mother sea otter gives her pup swimming lessons. By the time it is about 14 weeks old, the pup is able to swim and dive. Floating mother sea otter. Floating pup. Sea otter food. Sea otter adults and pups eat crabs, clams, and other shellfish. The mother otter dives under the water to hunt for food. She teaches the pup how to dive and find shellfish too. Clam. Crab. Mother otter. Pup. Time for dinner. Once the mother sea otter finds a clam, she swims back up to the water's surface. She also brings a rock with her and lays it on her belly. Then she smashes the clam onto the rock to open its shell. The mother otter and the pup share the clam meat. Clam. Sea otter pup. Mother otter. Clam meat. Good night. When it is time to sleep, an adult sea otter sometimes wraps seaweed around its body. The seaweed, called kelp, is attached to the ocean floor. It holds the otter in one place. This keeps the waves from carrying the otter out into the ocean. Sometimes the mother otter also wraps kelp around the pup as it sleeps on her chest. Sleeping adult sea otter. Kelp. Growing up. When a pup is between 6 and 12 months old, it leaves its mother. It knows how to dive underwater to hunt for food. It can use rocks to crack open shellfish. The pup is now ready to begin its grown-up life. Clam meat. Clams.